Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make a fly front zipper on your pants, and also in this video we'll also be teaching you how to attach elastic to the side of your pants. You can see some pants and skirt has side elastic for elasticity, and also it has zipper on the front as well. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add this fly front zipper and also the side elastic band. This is the pants that we've made already that we'll be adding this zipper to. What I'll just do is go ahead and measure from the beginning of the pants to the beginning of the curved part of the flap. So I've gone ahead to cut out the measurement I have from my waist to my crotch. I cut out 7 to 8 inches long pieces, and the width is 2 inches wide. So I'll go ahead and place the two good sides facing each other and make a stitch. Just watch this video closely so that you understand. This fly zipper is very simple if you pay attention to it. So I make a stitch straight down, and then the straight part of these pieces I cut is what I am attaching, not the curved part. If you notice, it's cut as curved, not straight. So I attach the straight side to the first one, and then I introduced my zip. As you can see, the zip is facing down. The good side of the zip is facing my pants. This is the bad side facing upwards. And then I'm going to make a stitch on my right side, the side that is close to the machine. That's the side I made a stitch on, and then I opened it up, as you can see in the video. Now after opening it up, you introduce the other side of the pant, this other side. Then good sides facing each other, you place it on top, as you can see in the video. Place it on top and then introduce the second piece. Remember that piece we attached before? There are two. So this is the second piece. I'll place it under the zip, as you see me doing. The straight side as well is where you place close to the machine. Then the straight side under the zip. Now you would make a stitch on top of the other side of the zip, not the side that you have stitched before. So very simple. Watch closely so that you understand. Make another stitch on the second side of the zipper that you've not stitched before, straight down to where you stopped with the first one. Now after doing that, when you open it to the right side of the pants, this is what you will have. Look at how neat it's coming out already. Now you fold it inwards, because remember it's a fly zipper. It's opened on the crotch part because I haven't joined that part yet. So I fold it in like this, and I'll secure it down with a pin. But before securing, make sure to remove any ruff at the back. Make sure to take it to the right side where the zip can open freely. Then you secure it down with a pin, as you see me doing. After securing it down with a pin, we are going to make a stitch from the down part down to the up part. You can just use your hand, your chalk, and curve it the way it's curved, the way you see a fly zipper curved, right? So just curve it upwards and then make a stitch. But before making that stitch, cut off the excess of your zip if your zipper is too long, and join your crotch. Remember, we have not joined this front crotch. I needed to fix the zip before joining the crotch. Now we'll join the crotch straight down to where the zipper ended. After joining that crotch, remember to notch, because if you don't notch, it will give you some squeeze effect when you wear the pants. So after joining, make sure you make a notch on that part where the zip started. So after joining that crotch, fold it to the right side. This is what we have. See how neat it's coming out, and very simple and straightforward. Fly zipper is not difficult. So just follow this step, watch this video closely so that you understand, you have a better understanding. Now remember this part that we secured with a pin earlier. We're going to make a curve straight down. You can just take a chalk and chalk it down to give you a fine curve. And while you're making this stitch, remember to remove whatever is under the zip so that you don't mistakenly join it with it. If you don't remove it, you find it difficult to zip it down and up. Now after making that curved stitch, this is what we have. Remember to trim off your threads, remember to iron, and then remember to take off the fabric behind so that you'll be able to zip up and down. Like I said earlier, this is our fly zipper. Very, very simple. See how it didn't take us long to finish it. So the next thing we're going to do now is to join the crotch, the remaining part of the crotch. Remember, we haven't joined the crotch perfectly because we wanted to fix our zipper first. So now we'll go ahead and join this crotch, and then the next remaining thing is to add our waistband, and that will be that for the cargo pants. I hope you understand up to this point. If you haven't subscribed, remember to do that, and thank you for watching to this point. Now this is what we have. Remember to trim off your thread, remember to trim off the excess, remember to iron. See how neat and equal these stitches are. It's very important to do a neat job when you're sewing, making your clothes. Now this is our fly zipper done. This is our pockets, the side pockets and the cargo pocket. The next thing we'll do now is to attach our waistband. So the first thing we'll do is to join the side of this waistband because it will be showing in the front where we'll attach the button on the band. So I went ahead and turned out the front part before I'll start attaching it. I would have turned the other side as well. I just don't know how long because I did not take the exact waist. So I'll turn it when I'm done, when I've gotten to the end of the waist. So just start your joining from there. But I will not join straight down. I would stop at some points at the side, the hip line, and add a rubber band. I'll add a band so that it will make it stretchy on that waist part, because this is a free baggy trouser. I do not want the waist part to be very tight and fitted. It can enter a bigger size at the same time because of that elastic on the waist. Now after joining it down to the hip line, I would pause and then cut out my elastic band, attach it to this point as you see me doing. I'll attach it, I'll make a stitch down. Make sure your stitch is very tight so that the rubber does not cut when you're done. So I'll attach it here and then continue my waistband joining. This elastic will be added on both sides of my waist, on the two hip lines of my waist. So I'll do it here. I'll repeat the same thing on the other side as well, and then it will give us this elasticity in the waist. So after doing that, remember to cut off the excess on the waistband and fold that edge as well. If you want your waistband to be long in front to extend to the other side, you can do that, is your choice. If you want it to end where the pant ended, also your choice. Just cut it off, turn it the way we turned the beginning, and then stitch, and then we're done. See how beautiful it's coming out already. Remember to iron your job, make it very, very neat. Now this is the waistband. This is the side I said will have the elastic on the both hip lines. It is very, very simple. The only thing remaining now is to put our button on this waistband. But first, remember to top stitch this waistband that you just made. You make a top stitch before you place your button. And then after top stitching, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I hope you learned something. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. If you want to see the full tutorial of how we cut and sew this trouser from beginning to end, it's already uploaded on the channel. I would attach the link to the full video in the description box. Guys, trust me when I say this cargo pant is very, very fine. I'll look forward to you making your own, and then let us know in the comment section how it came out. Look at how beautiful it looks. I couldn't get a very good video when I finished because I traveled the next day. This is the short video I just made, and this is me wearing it to travel. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.